This is my Accura lathe. It hasn't ran for about 2 years. It's got an electrical issue. I'm not sure what's wrong with it. Hopefully someone can help me out if I can't figure it out. But anyway, this thing was made in 1994, and I believe it was in Taiwan where they were making them. Alright, I don't have a wiring diagram or even a manual for this. And as far as parts go, I haven't seen anything online except for accessories like chucks and whatnot. But anyway, I'm going to show you what it does. Right, I'll turn it on, and nothing's happening here. And I'll operate this bottom lever here. Okay, now it's working. Try and go forward. Jeez. Alright, here's the circuit box opened up. There's 2 fuses down there. They both tested good. As far as looking for a wiring diagram, I was trying to find something online to compare to this. Got the cover off, and we'll see if we can see any sparks or something going on when I try and operate this. Alright, this switch does seem to be okay. I don't know for sure, but seeing how I saw a spark in the motor, I took the capacitor cover off and the wires go straight through. There was no bulge or anything that I could tell on a capacitor, but I'm wondering, I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you think the start capacitor is bad on this? Or do you think it's in the switch? Because in order to get to that, I'm going to have to pull the whole motor off. A manual I do have is like its closest equivalents. Maybe they're the same. I guess Birmingham is the same also. It does look the same in the picture. However, if you go to the electrical section, there's this page, and it looks like this would be single phase, this would be 3-phase, and it shows stop, jog, and that could be the front display. I'm not sure what to make of this one even. I wish it was a full wiring diagram like the ones you see for cars. And also, on the page with the electrical box open, this actually looks, you can barely see it, but it looks totally different than the setup I have in mind. I don't know how far I'm going to take this as far as testing it myself, because my multimeter does not test capacitors. Not to mention I can't even get to the wires on it without taking the motor apart. So I might take it in or have somebody fix it. If I can figure this out, or when I do get it fixed, I will add what the problem was in the comment link below if I don't do a second video on it.